your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold it.
Hey bougie babes, it's Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's a bougie wear, no way, period. I am back with another wig review, wig tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Today I am wearing Modern Show hair. This is their 16-inch body wave. I did curl this wig in the video, so if you want to see how to get this exact look, just tune into the full video. Also, I did layer it a little bit. Well, I tried to layer it, y'all. I don't know how to cut hair, but I tried to layer it a little bit in the video. It's really like a natural type of wig. It's not super thick, so just a little FYI. But all the info on this wig will be in my description box. And if you want to, get your little natural vibes on or whatever, this is definitely the wig for you. Like, this don't even look like it's a wig. It's like it could just be my real hair, So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments on this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well if you're not already, and enjoy. All right, so this is the box, and what we're gonna do first is just cut the ears out of the cap so that way it will lay flat. And we're going to use our freeze spray. Put our freeze spray on the hairline, blow dry until it is completely dry. Once it is completely dry, we're going to cut the remaining of the cap off, and then I'm going to use my powder foundation in the color Ebony. It's almost gone. I need to re-up, but we're going to put that over the front of the cap. Now I'm going to put the wig on and adjust it to my head. This wig was huge, you guys. It was huge, but I made it work like I always do. Right here, I'm just using my wax stick to move the flyaways out of the way. And then I am going to comb them back and cut that remaining lace because it was just way too much. Now I'm going to take my Bougie Baby hair gel. All of my hair products are officially on the site, you guys, so go shop. So I'm going to put the hair gel on the front, on the hairline, as well as some freeze spray and blow dry until it's tacky. Now I'm going to press the hair and the lace into the product, and I'm going to comb it into the product as well and press it down. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just blow dry so that way it will stick very well and just melt into my skin, okay? Okay, so I'm going to cut the lace. Make sure you always cut in a zigzag motion. Okay, for all the pieces that did not stick down, just use your freeze spray and your blow dryer to fix that problem. just gonna take a cotton ball with alcohol and wipe off the residue from my hairline from the freeze spray. Go in and part my hair and use my wax stick and hot comb to flatten the part, and then I'm gonna go in and then I'm gonna go in and pluck the part. Right here, I'm just using my powder foundation to basically blend the part to where it looks natural. Right here, I'm just trying to layer my hair, y'all. I don't know how to cut. I don't know how to layer. I was in cosmetology back in 11th grade, but I done forgot all of my skills, okay? So, look, I tried. Now, time for the baby hairs. What I'm doing with my hot comb basically is just moving the hair back so it'll stay out of the way while I try to lay the baby hairs. Okay, and I did drop my Bougie Barbie hair mousse, so y'all go get that. You will see in the next clip. Hold on, right here. So go get that, period. Now that I'm done laying my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and take some powder foundation again and put it over the lace so that way it will look, so that way the lace will look natural. Oh my God, I can't talk. And blend with my skin. Now I'm just gonna go in and just do some quick curls. I'm not doing these curls perfect, just some quick loose curls so I can get that like natural look, you know? Then I'm just gonna go through the curls on my fingers and then spray some freeze spray to like just keep them in. Y'all, I swear it looked like I was spraying this in my face. But yeah, and then I'm taking my wand to just lay the hair down, and then I'm gonna just be out some looks, and that's gonna be the end of this video. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Bye, Bougie Wigs.